In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys the new volatility indices trading strategy that I've been trying out for the past few days. As you can see right now, I am in profit in all the trades that I took using this strategy. So I'm going to break down each and every trade, show you exactly why I ended using this particular strategy, and you'll be able to see exactly how it works. I'm also going to give you the settings for the strategy so that you know exactly what to input on your phone or PC that you're using to trade, so that you can find trades like this. As you can see, I've placed trades on V25, V75,
In
V100.
this
I also
video, I'm
placed
going to be
trade
showing you
on the
guys the new
1S
volatility
indices that we
indices
have
trading
on
strategy that I've
volatilities,
been
just to
trying
show you
out for the
guys
past
how
few
much
days.
this
As you can
strategy works.
see,
So
I
we're going
am
to
in
dive
profit in
in
all the trades that I
straight
took
to the
using
strategy,
this
show
strategy.
you how to set it up, show you how to find confirmations and trades, and also show you how to manage each and every trade that you're going to jump into. And I'm also going to be giving away a free spot in my VIP signals group, so stay up until the end so that you really find out what to do in order to get that free spot. I'm also going to announce the winner for the previous video that we did for our VIP signals group, so stay up until the end as well. We might be the winner. So as you can see right now, I am on my volatility indices. I'm just going to open one of the charts, let's say V25, and you'll see exactly how the strategy looks and the setup that I took. It was almost a zero drawdown trade, to be honest, guys. I just entered into this trade and it went straight into profit. But I'm going to show you exactly how you do it. And you're also going to be using a 1 hour time frame, which means that you're going to be looking into holding these trades for a little bit longer, do some intraday trading, and then probably get as many pips as possible. So let's jump straight into it. Okay, so now it is time for us to set up the strategy itself. As you can see, we are in the 1 hour time frame, which is the time frame that we are going to be using for the entire strategy. And right now I'm opening my charts on V25, which is one of the trades that I took using this strategy. So I'm just going to go to my indicators section, install a couple of indicators, and then I'll show you how you'll be able to find setups to trade on VIX. Okay, so the first indicator that we want to install, I'm going to go to my main window and I want to install a moving average. Now this moving average is going to have the following properties. We're going to have a period of 5. So I'm going to change right here to 5. Okay. The shift will be 0. The method will be exponential. Apply to close. And we don't have any levels on this indicator. And on time frame, like I said, we're just going to be using our 1 hour time frame. So it will be best if you just stick to 1 hour time frame. Okay. And then on your style, I'm going to change this color to a red color and I'll click done. And as you can see, we now have a red moving average running across our charts. This is our first and only indicator on our main chart. Okay, so moving on, we're going to install another set of indicators, which is going to form what is called an indicator window 1 that is going to help us with confirmations, as you will see as we proceed. Okay, so I'll click on main window and I'll go to MACD. Now I'm going to install this MACD with the following properties. We're going to have a fast EMA of 12, a slow EMA of 26, a MACD SMA of 1, and apply to close. And once again, there are no levels with this indicator. Okay. And then on time frame again, you just have to remember that this strategy works best in the 1 hour time frame. Okay. Now on the styling, the main is going to be blue and the signal is going to be red. Okay. So please take note of those styles. Okay. And then once you're done, you just simply click on done. And as you can see down below, we now have the MACD fully installed. Last but not least, we're just going to need one more indicator to make this strategy perfect, and it's going to be a moving average. But this time around, the properties are going to be slightly different. The period is going to change to 10. The shift will remain as 0. The method will be exponential. Apply to close once again. And once again, there are no levels to this indicator. And on the style, I'm going to choose the green color like that. And then I'll click done, as you can see right there. And once you have done all these steps, just know that you have fully installed the strategy. So this is how the strategy actually looks like when it has been completely installed. Now, some of you are already picking up exactly how it works, but I'm just going to peruse and go through some of the trades that we took so that you just have an idea of how it works. Okay, so let's just start with V25 in our analysis. Let's just start by showing you guys how or why I placed this trade in the first place. Okay, so the first condition that you have to take note of is how your MACD operating. Okay, you want to look at the position of the bars, the blue bars that you see, and the red line in your MACD. Okay, once you have established that position, then you'll be able to know what exactly is about to happen. So once you see that your MACD is above this zero level right there, and it's forming bars above, and it also has the line above, just know that you are most likely going to find some sell setups. You're most likely going to lose that bullish momentum that caused the MACD to be up here, and you're trying to figure out when exactly that's going to happen. So that is your first condition. Now, your second condition is you want to see the green and red line right here in your MACD crossing each other while it's above the zero mark right there. So this will be our second condition. Let me just try and mark it out on our charts here, where we see the green and the red line crossing each other on your MACD. And then once you see the second condition, you're just left to see your price on your main chart. And this is very simple. You just want to see if candlesticks are now crossing and closing below that red line on your chart. And as you can see right there, we started to see that candlesticks were once closing above the red line. As you can see, these bullish candlesticks were closing above the red line, but then right here we turned, and then the candlestick started to close right below our red line. Okay, and right around this region, this was the final candlestick that closed below our red line, the final consecutive candlestick after our MACD had crossed with our green line right there, which is our EMA 10. And as you can see, we ended straight into a sell trade for the whole day, if I'm not mistaken. Now, see how powerful this strategy is. We made an analysis in our 1 hour time frame, and we are still in profit after over 24 hours. So this is more like a swing trading strategy, but you can still close within the same day if you are an intraday trader. But you're going to be picking up your trades from a very high time frame, so it'll be very profitable for you to actually get all the pips from that setup that you would have picked out. So this is how we place a sell trade, just using this simple strategy. Let's take a look at another trade. I'm going to go to the V51S because I know some of you guys do enjoy that. Now, I'm going to show you something interesting a little bit later on, but right now you can see the first condition was to have our MACDs above our zero level, and we also had that cross between the green line and the red line on our MACD right there. So as you can see, that was our first sign that we are supposed to look for sell trades. Okay, and after that we had to look for what our price was doing, and we said we want to see candlesticks crossing and closing below your red line. So previously, the candlesticks were crossing and closing above to our left, and when we turn to our right, candlesticks started to close below our red line, which signified that we were ready to enter into a sell trade. And as you can see, we entered into a sell trade, and it sold again for the whole day. Now, this is a massive move that our indicator and strategy gave. I'm also going to show you, come back to V50 and show you something else that make you want to use this strategy. Okay, now let's go to V100. Let's see if we can get some buy trades. Okay, right now, if you want to enter into a buy trade, here's an example. We are on V100. Okay, and this is what you simply do. First thing, this time around, you want to have your MACD below the zero line. So remember, if you are selling, you'd want the MACD to be above, but this time around you want it to be below, and you also want the crossover for the green and red line to happen, but it should happen just below zero like that. So that was our first sign that we have an opportunity to buy, but we don't buy just then. We wait for the cross, and the cross happened, and we also wait for candlesticks to start crossing and closing above your red line. So you can see around that region, all the candlesticks started to be bullish prior to being bearish right there, closing below, and then we started to have this new change in direction. And you can see from there, we placed our buy trade right there. When the candlestick crossed to be above the red line, we placed our buy trade, and as you can see as well, we are deep in profit. That was a nice move from this simple strategy. So this is how we managed to buy V100. Remember, again, we're just using the 1 hour time frame, okay? And it's more like a swing trade. You're going to be holding for long, and you're going to be realizing how profitable it is. So it is also very important for you to take note of your risk management so that you do not get taken out of a trade before it actually matures, okay? Because it might take long for you to be in more profit because you're using the 1 hour time frame, which means you're looking at the bigger picture, okay? Let's take a look at V25 1S. That was another beautiful sell trade. I think now you can clearly see what we're talking about. As long as you're having the crossovers above the zero line, and as long as you're having candlesticks crossing to be below the red line, you're always going to find your sell trades very profitable, okay? So we can go on, and I can show you more examples. This is V100. We're a little bit late on V75 rather, and I just want to show you how powerful the trade was and how much we believed in it. So we were supposed to enter a sell trade based on this MACD being above zero, the crossover of the red and green line right there, and you can see candlesticks started to cross and go close below our red line. But you can see that our entry was even way down there because you would see that there was still more momentum and momentum. Okay, now I'm also going to go back to V50 and show you what I wanted to show you, which is how to enter into buy trades. You can see we have got a setup right here. The MACD crossed with the green line while it's being below zero, which is what we talked about if you want to look for buy trades, right? And we also can see that candlestick started to cross and close above the red line right there. And as you can see, this trade is already in profit. It's just starting out. It's probably going to push even further up because it's literally just starting out. We literally just had this crossover about 5 or so hours ago. But I believe this move is going to even go further up just based on this strategy. So check this trade out if you watch this video and tell me what the outcome was for this trade. Okay, I'm also going to be updating it in our free Telegram channel, which you can join. The link is in the description down below. Okay, so this is how the simple trading strategy works. You just have to apply the strategy and be patient enough. You can see we almost also got a trade on V151S. It was a buy trade simply because our MACD was below zero. The crossover happened right there, and we would see that candlestick started to cross and close above our red line, which was a huge sign for a buy trade, and we took advantage of that trade as well. Now, if you want to be seeing more of these setups, make sure you join our free Telegram channel. The link is in the description box below, and you can get straight to that. Now, remember, I also give away my VIP spots on each and every video. And what you simply have to do is to subscribe, like this video, and comment down below something interesting. The first comment is going to get free access to our VIP signals group for boom and crash, and the rest of the comments are going to get free access to our currency signals group. Now, what you have to do is to send me a screenshot to my WhatsApp number showing me that you have subscribed, you have liked this video, and you have commented down below, and I'll be able to add you to a WhatsApp group where you'll be able to get these trading signals. Simple as that. My WhatsApp number will be available in our free Telegram channel. The link will be in the description box below. And for our winner, we're going to be announcing them right in our Telegram channel. So make sure you join that channel as well and see the winner in this video. Okay, the link will be in the description box below. Just click it and it will take you straight to our free Telegram channel. Now remember, to win VIP, all you have to do is to like, subscribe, and comment down below, and you might be the lucky winner. You can send me a screenshot to my WhatsApp number. Like I said, my number will be available in our free Telegram channel, and you'll be able to see my trading results, my students' trading results, everything about strategies and trading is available in our free trading community. We have over 9,000 traders in the group, so I'm sure it is a great community if you are just a beginner trader. So tell me guys what you think about this strategy. If you have any questions or anything that you want me to clarify on, comment down below so that it can also help the next person. Until next time.